all. Once again, welcome back to our basic science classroom. Are you safe at home? I think you all are very happy and safe at home. Have you had your breakfast? Was it yummy? Okay. So, what we discussed in our last class? Yes! And we just started our new lesson name, Life Giving Water. And we discussed importance of water in our day-to-day life. Children, what about Homer Zeman? Have you written it in your science diary? Okay, very good. Keep it up. Do you know what is our today's topic? Can anybody say? Yes, right. Our today's topic is properties of water. What is our today's topic? Properties of. Once again, please repeat after me. Properties of water. Before discussing this topic, let us do some interesting experiments. Are you ready? Yes, very good. So, let's get started. So, children, here we have taken 4 glasses with water. And here is 4 substances. They are sugar, sand, soap powder and Dettol. So, we are going to put this substance into each glass. Don't forget to stir it. So, let's get started. Sugar, sand, soap powder and Dettol. This is Dettol. Okay. And we are going to mix it well, stir it well. Children, observe these glasses very carefully. Out of 4 substances, 3 substances dissolve in water. They are sugar, soap powder and Dettol. Can you see? Sand did not dissolve in water. Can you see it under the water? Yes. So, it's very clear, my dear children. Water dissolves solid, liquid and gaseous substance. Do you notice when we open soda bottle, many bubbles rising through it? Yes, in soda water, the gas is carbon dioxide. It dissolves in water. So, the bubble is rising through it. So, it's clear that water is the property of water. One property of water is that water is universal solvent. What is that? Water is universal solvent. Okay. Children, shall we move on with our experiment? Yes, okay. So, here I have taken 2 bottles and it is connected with a pipe. So, I am going to pour water to first bottle. Okay, okay. Children, observe carefully what is happening here. Yes, can you see? Yes. Can you see? Water is going from one bottle to another through this pipe. And you can wait. Children, observe it carefully. Can you see? Water is maintaining its level. Can you see? Yes. So, the next property of water is water can maintain its level. It can maintain its what? Its level. What is? It can maintain its level. So children, what will happen when we take many underground water? Do you know? For commercial purpose when we take. Do you know what happened? Yes. The fall of water in neighborhood. It will cause the fall of water in neighborhood. So my dear children, today we are blessed with many experiments. I know that you are very interested here. So let's go to our another experiment. Children, can you see a bucket of water? Yes. So here I am going to put some materials into the water. Let's examine what happened. It's an empty jar and a pencil and I'm going to put a sharpener and last a piece of paper. Wow, amazing! Let's examine what's going on. Some materials are floating in the water and some others are sinking. Can you see? This property is used to prepare raft and carry through water, carry many loads through water. Okay? So, what is the property we discussed now? Some materials will sink and some float in water. Yes? Oh. So, things or materials will float and sink in what? In what? Yes, in water. Okay. Children, here I have taken 3 glasses and in the first glass, water is plain water. It is in liquid form. In the second glass, water is in solid form. Children, can you see the water vapors are rising from the third glass? So children, water can exist in 3 forms. They are solid, liquid and gaseous form. This is liquid form and this is solid form and this is gaseous form. Children, water has one more stage. It's called plasma. You will discuss in the higher class. So, we already discussed evaporation and condensation in the lower classes. So students, we also discussed it in this chapter itself. So, it is based on this property of water. What is it? Water can exist in solid, liquid and gaseous form. Children, what is the color of this water? It have any color? Then, what is the shape of it? What is the shape of it? And does it have any smell? Do you know? Yes, water is odorless, tasteless and it has no smell and it takes the shape of a container. Can you see the water take the shape of this container? Okay? So children, let us summarize our today's topic. We discussed water is universal solvent. It has the ability to dissolve large number of substances such as solid, liquid and gas. Then next property, water can maintain its level. That's why if we use groundwater in large quantities, what will happen? Yes, it will cause the fall of water in neighborhood. So, it's our duty to stop the misusing of water. Then, we also discuss the three states of water. What are they? Solid, liquid, gas. We also discussed that water has the ability to sink some objects and at the same time to float some objects. This property can be used to carry articles on a raft and also for voyage. As we all know, water is colorless, odorless, tasteless and also shapeless. That's why we use water for all purposes like drinking, cooking, washing, etc. Children, water has many other properties. So, it's your turn to identify it and mark it in your science diary. It's a home assignment for you. So, my dear children, today we discussed the properties of water. Here is a chart for you. Children, please go through the chart and examine carefully. Yes, here is the situations in our day-to-day life. So children, here is an interesting activity for you. You want to identify many other situations and write it in your science diary. So students, shall we wind up our today's class? Okay.